So probably but most likely this shot is better from here. This is not street photography, okay? This is just photography of streets. But sometimes we do that because it just looks cool. I mean, look at the water. Look at the reflections in the water. They're like so cool. The water is so still. And it will be a shame not to take this photograph, right? There's another one here. Similar symmetry and stuff. Symmetrical frame. This is nice. Like whenever they see this. No, this shark. You look good, man.
Yeah.
Now, street photography should be right in your face, and that's why, for example, you see that couple, interesting couple, but that's across the road. I don't know, like if that's not gonna make any photo. It looks like, because it's just too far away. But here, now, we have to wait for our target to come. There are these two people coming, but complementary colors are wrong. We'll just probably take the photo. Maybe here, just going to superimpose them on this wall. No. The boss is here, I'm just doing street photography. I don't want to photograph this, but this wall is nice. Now I'm just waiting for this passenger to come. He's much of a big and yellow stuff. Yeah, I think we got it. And we have another yellow man coming. Safe sesh. Drug testing kits. Needs to be with one.
In the background, it was a very, very symbolic change that we made here. In 2022, nosotros realmente, bueno, la casa nos salió muy barata, pero es verdad que el avión es
Some gas. Oh wow. Nice colors, no? You see how great it is, orange and teal or whatever. That's great. Like, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. We just need to find some people now walking in here. That's perfect. That was a good one. Oh wow. And these beans are good as well, isn't it? But the light doesn't fall on them. So, honestly, I came with little expectations about this whole street photography stuff, but look at the light now. Person coming. Oh, it's flared up. It's great, isn't it? another reflections. I came with a little expectation. I didn't know actually what to expect, but if you look closely, you will find stories everywhere. You look like this person here. Nice. Stephen. Oh, this is Stephen Upper. It should be lower. It's not lower. There are people coming, but the idea is hopefully some of them will go on that street down the valley, down the line here, because the light is here. It's not super dramatic. No, they are not coming. Okay, no problem. Oh, they are coming. So I'll just photograph them. Okay. I think it's good. Yeah, mission accomplished. We'll go. This is so bizarre. Who wrote this here? It looks very symmetrical and very cool. We may take a picture of that. Why not? I don't know what it means, but it looks good. Now the light is not in that direction, but I think this is the St. Patrick's Church. We'll just go that way. Nice. You look good.
What camera do you have?
Oh, it's a Sony. That's nice. We will take a rubbish photo of this bench and the bicycles, like bench and bicycles moving and not moving. I think it doesn't work, it doesn't matter. It works for street photography, anything works. Anything is content. So now it says Christmas here, so we have to wait for what? For something anti-Christmas. We wait for Grinch. Grinch won't come. You see, I really like this type of photographs, but worship, learn, discover. So you see, worship, learn, discover. This woman is worshipping her phone. Let's take a photo of her. We have here kegs and people. Hey, this is great, man. Come along, come along. Great. Kegs and people. People like to drink. Why not? I don't think this leads anywhere. I think we might just go back because we are kind of far away from everything now. Light is gorgeous because it's what, 12 o'clock. Boycott apartheid Israel. This is piece of history. We'll just put it here in rule of thirds. Why not? Boycott apartheid Israel. Just waiting for somebody to come in that area. You see, we will do now some sort of a layering. That's good. Maybe. Very nice dogs.
Thank you.
Now, again, as I was saying, you should be very careful with You see women behind bars, the imprisoning of females. There's no such thing. And look at this, absolutely gorgeous. Leading lines and everything. It's kind of dark because I'm using highlights priority, but apart from that, the light was very good. You know, you want these pockets. I think winter is great for street photography because the light is now the sun sets so early. In the summer you have to find the stories. It won't work otherwise that easily. Now we have to take this image. Whoever comes here, these people will come here, and you see they will do it. There you go. Let's go. Come on, let's come on. The light is great, man. That's a great light, isn't it? Absolutely. It's absolutely great. So
nice, the tower is gorgeous.
great layering of light. Wow, that's a great spot to photograph. I think so. I don't know. Looks okay. It's a very good spot. I may hang around here for my foreigners to come, but no foreigners, only two people smelling like weed. But it's still good. Some layering going on.
Yeah, they're all free,
Yeah.
which is great.
Look what we have in front of us. Too bad. Look how light falls on these buildings. Unfortunately, we have these rubbish cars in there which may destroy things. But apart from that, it's great. Ah, person coming. Excellent. And what happens is it's crazy. It's crazy good.